I know it can be really hard when you're decluttering to decide what should stay and what should go. So I have 5 questions to help you declutter anything. The idea with these 5 questions is that you should be able to answer yes to at least one of them. If you go through all 5 of the questions and the answer is no for every single one, that's something you should feel really good about getting rid of. Question 1 is, have I used this item in the past year? If that object is something you haven't used, worn, or appreciated since this time last year, let it go. Question 2 is, will I use it in the year ahead? Try to be really honest with yourself about situations where you might use that thing. Be realistic about what's happening and you're gonna make really good choices. Question number 3, if I was shopping right now, would I buy this again? Does it work? Does it fit? Do you even like it anymore? If not, you probably wouldn't pick it up off a store shelf, so you probably shouldn't be storing it in your home. Question number 4, if the thing is broken, will you fix it? Try to be realistic about whether or not you're actually gonna get that thing on your to-do list, and consider if it's even worth the cost of repair. Question number 5, would I keep this if I moved? We're always a little bit more ruthless about our stuff when we're moving because it's kind of a reinvention period. So try to put yourself in that headspace. If you were moving right now, would you pack that thing up and bring it to your new home? If not, say goodbye. Now that you know the 5 questions, let's put them into action. I have emptied a drawer in my kitchen. I have all kinds of stuff here that I'm not really sure if I should keep or let go, like these salad tongs. Question 1 is, have I used them in the past year? And I haven't really used them in a while. But question 2, will I use them soon? I do have a party coming up. I think these will be perfect. They're definitely gonna be the ones that I grab, so let's keep them. Now, this thing a friend gave me. If I put it through the questions, question 1, have I used it in the past year? I don't think I've used this ever. And question 2, will I use it in the upcoming year? I think that one's a no as well. For question 3, would I buy this now if I was shopping? I didn't even buy it in the first place. I'm not sure that I would buy it again. Question 4, if it's broken, is it worth fixing? There is a little chip here. I'm not even sure how to fix it or how much it would cost, so I think that one's a no. And then if I was moving, would I make room for this? I don't think so. I think this is a no and something I should feel really good about getting rid of. All right, all done. The next time you declutter, write those questions down so you can refer to them like I just did, and you'll be able to declutter with confidence.